Should you pre-order the PlayStation 5? If you're a big PlayStation fan, the answer is obviously yes. But the thing is, pre-orders for the console are practically sold out globally. It's especially frustrating if you try to get one yourself, and this is further amplified for us here in Malaysia because pre-orders for the console are not even open here. Given that the global release of the PS5 is happening within a month, there's a very good chance we will not get the console this year, though this is just my own personal opinion. If you're disheartened by the fact that you will not get the PS5 this year, here are 5 reasons why you are better off just waiting it out a little bit longer. Number 1. There are still no exclusive games for the PS5. Even though PlayStation showed off a lot of exciting new games for the PS5, most of them, if not all, can be played on other platforms. Take Marvel Spider-Man Miles Morales for example. Even though it is one of the launch games for the PS5, you can actually get the very same game for the PS4. Yes, you will not get the performance upgrades of the PS5, but you are still essentially playing the very same game. So if you're a current PS4 owner, it's not like you are missing out on any PS5 titles. And that brings us to number 2. You will get free upgrades if you're a PS4 owner. Let's say you bought Miles Morales for the PS4. When you do get a PS5, you will actually get a free upgrade to the PS5 version. So you are essentially getting 2 games for the price of 1, which is really a win-win situation. Number 3. Wider availability. This is probably the biggest reason to not pre-order the PS5. At least it is to me personally. As I've mentioned earlier in this video, it is extremely difficult to get any form of pre-order for the PS5, which can get quite frustrating. Once the console is more widely available, you won't have to deal with the frustration. The waiting period probably won't be too long either. Number 4. More color options. If you're not a fan of the white PS5 that is offered right now, you can wait a little bit longer for the Japanese company to release more colors such as black or even red if you want something a little bit more unique. Speaking of which, if you want something even more unique, wait for special editions of the PS5. Granted, it will be a while before this happens, but hey, it could be worth it for those who are not in a rush to upgrade. Number 5. Wait for actual user reviews. Although we already know a lot about the PS5, there are obviously 0 user reviews at the moment. Now, we are confident the PS5 will not have any huge issue, but it is always wise to wait for actual reviews from users to find out if there are any aspects of the console that you won't quite like. So, putting it all together, you really are not missing out that much by not pre-ordering the PS5. Of course, it would have been incredible if everyone can get their hands on a console this year, but this is simply not the reality. If you're disappointed by this, just keep these points in mind, and again, you really are not missing out that much, especially if you're a current PS4 owner. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here at Next Riff.